A hungry jackal wandered searching for food. Suddenly, he heard a loud booming sound. Boom, boom, boom. It echoed through the trees. Terrified but curious, the jackal followed the noise and discovered a large leather drum lying under a tree, being thumped by the wind. Relieved it wasn't a monster, the jackal approached and sniffed around. Maybe there's food inside, he thought. He clawed and bit at the drum, but it was empty. He sighed and said, "So much noise. But nothing inside." Don't be fooled by loud voices or big appearances. Sometimes there's nothing of value behind the noise. Drop a subscribe for Jackal's Hope for Food.